So I get to enjoy my newfound love here, like I'm back in. I probably should move that can away from the burner. Like I'm back home in Europe, wherever in Europe. But you know, it's French press, so that would tell me it's French. Huh, okay. So I'm having the tastes of home in my mouth. Yes, I'm at Cynthia's house still, and she got that French press for me. She's fabulous. And yes, the last time I had it was in Spain. It's French press with Italian coffee, so I've got all of Italy in my mouth. Anyway, here's my little tutorial about me using my French press for the first time on my own. Move that. I'm gonna pour the amount of coffee that I'm gonna drink in here. They say 2 cups. I think that's 2 cups. And then right here, put that in, and look, I'm using an ice cream scoop because I really want some strong coffee. I'm putting Italian coffee. Is that right? Oh Lord, this is gonna be strong. And then they say you press it. You press it down like that, or something like that. And now look, I screw this on, righty-tighty, round and round she goes. So you're looking righty-tighty, righty-tight. I think that should be about it. I put it here, and I find the right button, knob, you know how it goes, and oh, turbo boil. I put it on high, and I watch this thing, and guess what? It's gonna boil, and then I'm gonna drink it after it's not put on the wrong burner. Oh Lord, let's try this again. Let's put on the correct burner, the high burner, and watch the right burner turn on this time. Oh, there we go. Oh, I hope that turns back on. That looked like it turned off. Uh-oh. Oh, it's because it's on low. I'm not handy in the kitchen. Well, handsy maybe, but not handy. There we go. See? Now didn't that look easy? And there you go. There's Sylvia's tutorial for drinking hot coffee. French press, Italian. Last time I had it was in Spain. It's too damn hot. I'm not drinking it. Yes, I realize, and it's Italian press. Cynthia told me that after.